In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a Shopify store that's optimized for mobile so you don't lose sales just because your site feels clunky on a phone. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and the truth is most people build their store on desktop, test it once, and hope it works. But over 70% of e-commerce traffic is mobile now. And if your site doesn't load fast, look clean, and feel easy to use on a phone, people won't stick around long enough to buy. So I'm going to walk you through everything from setting up your theme with mobile in mind to making simple tweaks that improve your homepage, product pages, and checkout experience. Let's get into it. So this isn't a tutorial about branding or fancy design, it's about usability. And a mobile optimized Shopify store is one that loads fast, keeps shoppers engaged, and removes any friction between landing on your site and hitting that buy now button. We're going to cover how to structure your homepage for mobile, how to simplify your navigation, how to build clean product pages, and what checkout settings to turn on to make conversions easier. You don't need to code anything or install a million apps. Just follow along and implement what you can, one section at a time. So let's go over key elements of a mobile optimized Shopify store. First off, you need a clear header and simple menu. Use a centered logo, sticky menu bar, and limit navigation to your most important pages like shop, about, and contact. Avoid dropdowns and clutter. Next is use an engaging hero section. Use one vertical image that loads quickly and communicates what your store is about. Add a bold headline, 1 to 2 lines of copy, and a call to action button that's easy to tap. Next is easy to browse product grid. Display 2 products per row, not 3 to 4. Keep it tight and visual. Make sure product names, prices, and buttons don't wrap awkwardly or look cut off. Reviews and social proof. Show 2 to 3 review cards early on the page. Include photos if you can. It helps mobile shoppers trust your product faster, especially if they don't want to scroll to the bottom. Next is thumb-friendly buttons. Buttons should be large enough to tap without zooming. Make sure there's enough space between links so users don't accidentally hit the wrong one. Quick loading images and pages. Compress your images and avoid adding too many effects or autoplay videos. Use Shopify's built-in lazy loading so images appear as you scroll, not all at once. So to go ahead and build your site, what you want to do is go ahead and use our exclusive link in the description below. And what we're going to do now is create a free account and build your store now. So we'll go ahead and create your account, password. Cool. Now we're going to go ahead and set the store color. We'll go ahead and do purple. Then we're going to choose banners. Amazing. Now we'll need to create a Shopify account. So we'll also use the same email address, type in a password, and then we'll skip this for now. Then we'll go ahead and click done. All we need to do is copy this link right here and we will click save. And now we can go ahead and access the discount. So you'll have 3 days to test Shopify before you will be charged for the $1 first month. We'll go ahead and access the Shopify plans, and then you can type in your address. Okay, we'll click done. So we'll go to settings, then we'll go to apps and sales channel, then we'll click allow custom app development, go ahead and name it. Then we'll click configure admin API scopes, and then we will click all of these. We'll click save, and then now we will click done. Now that that app is configuring, we're good to go. So now let's talk about the different plans and pricing options for Shopify. So like I mentioned, they do offer a free trial, and then they also have a great deal that's $1 for the first 3 months. So right now I'm in the basic plan, which starts at $29 a month, but it's $1 for the first 3 months. So with this plan, the credit card rates start at 2.9%, sometimes 2%, sometimes 2.6, plus 10 to 30 cents per transaction, and then you get up to 77% discount rate, 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, and sell in person with a phone or card reader. Next is the Grow plan, which is typically $79 per month, but it's $1 for the first 3 months. With this plan, the card rates do decrease, and then you get a higher shipping discount, and you get 5 additional staff accounts. Next is the Advanced, which you get everything in the Grow plan, but this is $299 per month, but $1 for the first 3 months. Card rates decrease again as well, and then you get enhanced 24/7 chat support, local storefronts by market, and 15 additional staff accounts. And then lastly is the Plus plan. So with this, it starts at $2,300 per month, and the rates do decrease a bit as well. You also get 200 inventory locations, priority 24/7 support, local storefronts by market, unlimited staff accounts, fully customizable high volume checkout, sell wholesale B2B, and up to 200 POS Pro accounts. Okay, now let's dive into some of the pros and cons. Shopify is one of the best platforms for mobile first design. Its themes are built to be responsive, and the editor makes it easy to tweak settings for mobile without needing to touch code. You also have access to a huge app ecosystem with tools for reviews, fast checkout, and sticky cart buttons, all optimized for mobile. Now, some of the cons. Some themes still require fine tuning, especially when it comes to spacing, mobile padding, or homepage layouts. Also, too many third-party apps can slow down mobile performance, so stick to the essentials and test loading speed often. If you've been wondering why traffic isn't converting or if your bounce rate is high, there's a good chance your mobile experience is the issue. People scroll fast, make decisions quickly, and expect clean layouts with easy paths to check out. If your store feels hard to use or slow to load, they're gone. A mobile redesign doesn't need to be complicated. You want to focus on layout, speed, clarity, and the user journey. If you do that right, you'll start to see real results without needing more traffic. If you want to build and optimize your Shopify store, go ahead and use the link down in the description. Okay, so as you can see, we have our page right here. You want to make sure you double check that it looks good on both. So here you can see we've got the announcement bar right here. We've got the header. We've got a clear call to action. You can see the featured products. And then we have a footer, which is subscribe to our email. See how clean and simple and easy that is. If you want to add a section, you can just click add section and you can do a featured collection, a collection list, multi-row, email sign up, contact form, a video, blog posts, custom liquid, and maybe even a page. Design is super simple and super easy to use. Or you can go with what I also showed you, where you can just go ahead and create a free Shopify builder super easily and effortlessly. Again, it is up to you, whatever you feel more comfortable with. If you'd like to have a bit more control, you can go ahead and design it from scratch here. So completely your call. But again, you just want to make sure that it's super clean on the mobile as well. If you need to tweak things or move things around, make sure you do that and actually make it a priority. Okay, you guys, that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for following along. This channel is dedicated to helping e-commerce sellers grow smarter from design to strategy to launch. We give you real tools, tutorials, and tips that help you scale without the guesswork. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We would absolutely love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.